PowerPlane-Laser 3G Multi-18V. The PowerPlane-Laser 3G Multi-18V generates 3 extremely bright laser circles with excellent visibility for distances of up to 60 meters. By choosing the right adapter, the laser integrates seamlessly into your existing 18V peripheral system. Thanks to the power adapter available separately, the laser is compatible with the batteries that you already own, irrespective of the manufacturer. The plumb function enables synchronous work on the floor and ceiling for precise alignment in every situation. The laser lines can be switched through separately and, thanks to microcontrol, adjusted with high precision using vernier adjustment. As a result of the center point, the positions of the laser circle or the plumb points remain stable and unchanged. The pendulum lock protects the laser during transport and at the same time enables simple slope alignment with optional accessories. Use an external power supply via USB-C. The laser then remains constantly in use for you. Robust and can be mounted in many ways. The sturdy aluminum foot offers exemplary stability, while a 1/4 inch and 5/8 of an inch threads ensure compatibility with various tripods and fixing options. PowerPlane-Laser 3G Multi-18V. Precision in every dimension.